Good morning, children. Today we are going to study mathematics, ICSE Mathematics 1. Okay, take out this book. Chapter 4. Chapter 4, Numbers from 10 to 20. Okay, page 54. Take out page 54. Children, take out your school homework copy, diary and pencil eraser also. Okay. 4. Chapter 4, Numbers from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. So, learning outcomes, students will be able to learn what? The concept of tens and ones, to compare two-digit numbers up to 20, to identify numbers before, after and in between the given numbers. Next, the backward counting from 20 to order two-digit numbers up to 20. Concept of tens and ones. Okay, we know numbers from 1 to 9. You know, children, we use ones place to write any number from 1 to 9. See, 1 to 9. 1, 1. 2, 2 ones. 3, 3 ones. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones. 6, count first, 6 ones. 7 ones. 8 ones, 9 ones. Okay, 1, 2, we know children, 1 to 9 numbers, and we use ones place to write any number from 1 to 9, you know. Next, see, we write numbers further. We need two places tens and ones. Okay, tens and ones, we can count two-digit numbers on an abacus by using rods. Okay, see, rods, 3 rods is here. 100 tens ones. Okay, rod ones reads in ones. See here, O, right here O. Okay, reads in ones. Rod T in tens. We can put a maximum of 9 beads in each rod. Okay, maximum of 9 beads. Remember children, 9 beads in each rod. Let's count further. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's very important. Next, 10. See, number 10. TEN 10. 10 is 1 with 0. See, 10 is 1 with 0. So 1 0. 1 10 plus 1 1. See, abacus, you see, 1 bit in rod T shows 110 or 10. See, you write here 10, 10, 10, 10, number 10. So you understood 1 bit, see here 110, 110, sorry, 10, 1 0 means 1 tens, 110 plus 0 ones. Okay. So 1 bit is rod T shows 110 or 10. Next, 11. 11, you see, spelling 11. 11 is 1 with 1. Okay, 11 is 1 with 1. See, 1 1 11, 1 10, 1 1, 1 10, 1 1, make 11. See, bits, see, bits in a rod T shows and 110 and 1 bit in rod C once shows 1 1. So 1 1 11. Next 12. 12 is 1 with 2. See, 12 is 1 with 2. 1 10 2 ones. Okay, 1 10 2 ones. So see here, you write here the box 12 12 12 12. Okay, so one bit you see, right side you see, one bit is rod T. Okay, shows. Okay, one bit in rod T shows. See, 110 shows 110. So one bit is rod T shows 110. See, 110. And two bits in rod, see here, ones. Okay, so ones shows 2 ones. 0, see, 0 shows 2 ones. Okay, O shows O, not T shows 10. O shows 2 ones. HTO, see here, HTO. Next 13. See, 13 is 1 with 3. Sorry, 13 is 1 with 3. See, 13. So you feel it. 13, 1 10 3 ones. So 13 is 1 with 13. With 3. Sorry, again. So see, first 100 tens ones. Okay, so 1 bits, first you see 1 bits is here, tens. So 1 bit is rod T shows 110. And next see, O bits you see, next. So 3 bits, 1 2 3, 3 bits in rod O shows 3 ones. Okay. $14, 100 tens ones. Rod, I draw first. Okay. So $14, 1 4 14. Okay, so 14 is 1 with 4. So tens 1 ones 4 make 14. Okay, 1 10 4 ones. Okay, 14, 1 4 14. Now children, see 100 tens ones. You see 110. So 1 bit in rod T shows 110. Okay. Next 4 ones. So I draw here 4 ones. O. So 4 bits. Count 1 2 3 4. 4 bits in rod O. So 4 Next 15. 15. So I write here 15. 15. Okay. 1 5 15. So 100 tens ones. So first I draw the rod abacus. So I right side I write here 10. TE and 10. Tens 1. Tens ones. Okay. So your number 1 5 15. So I write here 1 5 15. See, 1 tens to 5 ones. So number 15. 1 tens. So 1 bits. Okay. 1 tens. T tens. O ones. 5 bits. 1 2 3 4 5. Now children see 1 bit in rod. See here T shows 110. Okay. And 5 bits in rod O shows 5 ones. See 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now 16. I hope everyone understood 16. Okay. I write here 16. Everyone spelling 16 practice. Okay. 6 SIXTEEN 16 is very important. SIXTEEN 16. So tens ones. Okay. Tens. See, I write here 100 tens ones. Rod 3 dot I draw. So number you see 110 tens 110 and 6 ones. Okay, make 16. Okay, number. Now I draw here 110. So 1 bit 1 bit I draw here, and 6 ones. So 6 bits I draw here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now children see 1 bit in rod. See here T shows 110. Okay, 110 and 6 bits. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 bits in rod. Okay, O shows 6 ones. Okay, so I hope everyone understood. So take out your diary, write your homework. Homework chapter 4 page 54 55 56. Okay, 54 55 56. Okay, practice. I hope everyone understood. First children, 1 to 20 numbers, spelling practice is very important. Okay.